Alright, so for the first part of this auto build, my foot's been a bit dodgy, I don't know why. I'll be making the base of the main body. So you take a 4x12 light blue square plate, and then you just place some of these 2x4 light blue square plates underneath there, just like that. And then you take some of these 1x4 light blue square plates and place those right there. Then at the end you put some of these 1x4 light blue square plates with there, 3 Technic pins there. Then you put some of these 1x2 light blue square Technic, bricks of Technicals. And just turn over and right here to add some of these 1x2 light blue square slider pieces. Just like that. And then you place some of these 1x2 blue bricks with studs on the front. Just like this, roll them down. Then take some of these 2x2 like light blue square, like L-shaped bricks, and just place them right here, like it's place 4 of them just like this. Then place some 1x2 light blues. Dark tan plates. Dark tan plates. And then you put some of these 1x4 light bluish grey, like curved pieces on top of those. Then take some of these pieces here. I don't know what they're called. It looks like a piece for like maybe a little car. And just place that there. And right there. Yeah, I wanted to go for a different like side profile shape for that. Then we add some of these. Just add another 2 of these 1x2 dark tan plates. Then some of these 2x2 light blue square slopes. Just like that. And then we're going to take some of these 1x2 light blue square tiles. And just place those there and there. Then to add some of these 1x2 light blue square slider pieces on top of like on the side studs. Make sure that the slider part is facing downwards. Same in the back. Just like that. And then on the back one, just add some of these 1x2 light blue square grilled slopes. Then on the front, you add some of these 1x2 light blue square ingot pieces. Just like that. And then I'm just going to add Technic pin. Add the extra long blue ones right in there. And the side, when you put the black Technic pins and like the side Technicals. Just like that. Same on the other side. Okay, then right right in the middle, but he actually add 2 of these 2x4 dark blue grey plates. Just like that. Then you take some of these 2x2 light blue square downward facing bracket pieces and add both of those there and there. And then you just take your stud shooters and just load them up. You can choose which you can even go, if you wanted to maybe make like a training tie crawler, like kind of like how stars are able to go like them the training tie, but you put one of these little bits in the end. Like you could use like the yellow like transparent tiles. Could be quite interesting. So then you just place the stud shooters there and right there. And that's everything for this part of the alternate build. Time to move on to the next part. Alright, so for this part of the alternate build, we're making like the spherical part of the main body. So we're going to start with this 4x6 dark bluish grey plate. I'm just going to add like one of these pieces like right here. Then I'm going to stack 2 of these 1x2 dark bluish grey oval pieces. 1 and 2. Get on there. Just like that. Well, okay, and we'll start working on like the side panels. Alright, so just add some 1x6 black plates at each side and make them like both at once. Just like that. So then just put some of these like 2x2 the dark blue grey upward facing bracket pieces. Just like this. Same thing on this side. Yeah, I just kind of guessed it. I was like, I might as well make them both at once. So then you just place those like that. You then put like the 1x1 light blue grey printed control panels. There and there. I wonder if I actually even need to talk to them when I make these instructions. Am I talking even needed? Since I'm kind of demonstrating. Oh, what am I kidding? Of course the talking is necessary. So then you put these little pieces here. Yeah, same thing on this side. Oops. So you take some of these 1x1 dark blue grey cheese slopes. And just place those there. Okay, then you stack 2 of these like 2x2 like blue grey like L-shaped pieces. Same thing on this side as well. Then you put some of these 1x2 dark tan plates there and there. Then you put some of these 1x6 black plates, just like that. And you then put some of these like 2x2 like blue grey downwards facing bracket pieces, just like that. Okay, and then what you do, same thing on the other side. Just place all of those there. Then you put some of these 2x4 dark blue grey plates. Then you put some of these 2x4 light bluish grey like curved pieces. Still haven't thought of any way to like define these compared to like the other ones. So you put 4 of those there. Then you take some of these 2x2 light bluish grey half tile pieces. But make sure the studs are like kind of in the middle, so every time you go to put like this middle part, the whole thing into like the base. Right, so now we're just going to put some of these like 2x2 like screw like cut corner pieces. And then put some of these 2x2 like blue screen macaroni pieces. Just like that. Then you put a 2x6 dark blue screen plate right there. Maximum they make like the actual windscreen parts. Take a 6x6 circle piece and a 4x4 circular black brick. Then put some of these like pieces here that just go around it and give it a really nice shape. That helps to make it look shinier. Then put the windscreen on just like that. So then you just add that piece right, that's like Technic hinge piece there. Then you put a Technic pin in there. And is it meant to be? Yeah, just okay, yeah, like that. So let's it's like barely over. Then you attach that's like 2x2 down like blue square downward facing bracket piece. A 1x4 like blue square like curved slope. Then on top of like this hinge piece on this side, add 2 of these 1x2 dark tan plates. Then you attach that to like this the windscreen like the printed dish piece. You add the printed like round tile there. So you then add you add 2 of these like 1x2 like blue square slider pieces. And before I attach that, I'm actually going to attach some of these 1x2 dark blue square like ingot pieces. And this is actually I'm not going to attach one right now just because like the other part will get in the way. So we're going to take 2 of these like light tan pieces that have the studs on the front. Just put them on like that and that. And then stack 2 of these 1x2 dark tan plates. Just like that. Okay, then for like the engines, just sync it again. Just then you put a 2x2 dark blue square circle plate. Then you add some of these like 2x2 dark blue screen macaroni pieces. Yeah, just like that. I bet if they're gonna make another Playfield type bomber, then they're gonna have to they have some series. I don't think they would out themselves. Then you put some of these like semicircular jumper plates there. Then you just like then you put like this 1x2 dark blue square oval piece. Then you put some of these like little bits of frost. Then you put this other ingot piece right there. Then you just attach the attach the engines just like that. And you then attach the top part just like that. And you can attach it to the main body. Just make sure you open up the hatch, or else actually you can't get it like, properly down. So as usual, make sure it's like kind of in the center, so just then press down. Just like that. And that's everything for this part of the alternate build. Time to move on to the next part. Alright, so for this part of the alternate build, we're making the first of the two treads. And we'll see the two treads are actually the same, just mirrored. So we're going to start off with, you're going to have 3 of these 2x16 black plates. And then just some of these 4x12 light blue square plates. To attach them just like that. I'll try and move a bit more just so the camera can get a bit better. Yeah, I didn't use the big B backboard, the triple B. Yeah, but yeah, just put 3 of the 4x16 there. But then you put some of these 4x4 Maple Square triangle pieces. Then you put a 1x2 light blue square slope right there. Then you put some of these those curved pieces again. And so if it's for that side, that means right, yeah, okay, then I'm just gonna add a 1x10 light blue square plate there. Then I'm gonna add another 2 of these 4x12 light blue square plates. Yeah, it gets pretty large. Another 1x10 light blue square plate. You check. Okay. Right. Okay, I read. Okay. So yeah, no, I meant to add like some 1x10 light blue square plates on this side as well. Then where are the pieces I'm looking for? Oh, there. Okay, then you add some of these 1x4 light blue square plates. There and there. And yeah, then you add this like the 6x6 plate, like the square plate with like these technical codes on the back. Then you add some of these like black inverted like slopes. There, then also put 2 on each side here. Yeah, I wanted the inner part of the wings to be as accurate as possible. Cause I know if like when I made Tag Quill using 1 copy of the set, it wasn't as accurate as I wanted to. Well, for the time it was fine. Then I'm just gonna add 2 of these 3x3 black plates. But yeah, like back then, like it was definitely Like back then it was really good. Like that type quality, but now it's outdated. But yeah, put two of these in these 4x4 like the triangle pieces. Then we're going to take some of these 1x4 black plates and just put one there and one there. Then we'll add some inverted tiles. And yeah, so we add two on each side. So one here, one here. Wait, there's the other two. One here and one there. That's actually the back of it completed. Okay, so I need to make sure. I really don't want to actually make the wrong side. Alright, so now it's going to take some of these 1x2 like this downward facing bracket pieces, and then it's going to attach them on just like this. So yeah, I'll go 3 of them here. I'll go 3. Yes, it's to make like you say. This is so I can make like the treads, or like the actual like the rolling part. Well, it doesn't actually roll, but you know what I mean. So yeah, then yeah, so I should go 3, 4. Okay, now where's that other one? Where'd the other one go? So yeah, should go 3, 4, then back to 3. Then we're going to add some of these, like, add 1x4 black tiles there and there. Then you add some of these 1x3 black tiles. Yeah, same thing on this side. Then you add a 1x4 black tile. Just like that. And then I'm just going to add a lot of these 1x4, 1x2 light bluish grey, like slopes. Yeah, it may take a bit of time to put them on. Once you have them all on that side, just put a whole bunch more on this side. But yeah, make sure that the slope when it goes up, or when the way it goes upwards facing inwards. So like the flat end bit is facing inside, if that makes sense. So basically it's almost like it's leading into it. My arm's getting tired from reaching over. Okay, just one more. That's right there. One more for that. Then I'm gonna add some of those like curved pieces there and there. Then another 1x2 like blue square slope. Okay, now what we're going to do is just add a 2x4 light blue square plate. Then a 2x2 light blue square plate, just like that. Okay. And then we're going to take some of these 1x2 black tiles. Put one there and the other one there. Then 1x4 black tile. No. Another 1x4 black tiles there. Then I just put a bunch of these 1x2 light blue square slider pieces. So just like that. Then we'll put one of these like 2x2 dark blue square circle plates. Then this printed piece. Then some of these 1x2 dark blue square like slopes. Then some of these 1x2 light blue square jumper plates. Okay, it's gonna look at the other one for the other threads for reference. Okay, so you place two of these 2x4 like M2x4 black tiles. Then put a 1x3 some 1x3 black tiles like that. Then I'm just gonna add a bunch of 2x4 black tiles. So just 6 in total until just like that. 4, 5, and 6. Then add some of these 3x3 black plates. There and there. Then add a bunch of these like 1x6 black plates. Yeah, specifically 5 of them. Then you put a 2x4 black tiles there. And then a 1x2 black tile there. Then you put two of these like 2x4 black tiles here. Then another 2x4 black tiles right there. Then you put 2 of these 1x2 black tiles, just like that. And now you're ready to actually attach it to the main build. So make sure that this side of like you see like the black tiles, make sure that's facing down. You attach that by Technic pins. Okay, and that's everything for this part of the alternate build. Time to move on to the next part. Alright, so for this part of the alternate build, we're making the other thread for like the tire crawler. It's the same thing again. It's the same build, just mirrored. So you attach 2x16s to the 4x12s. Make sure you leave one stud like overhang. Just like that. And then you put some of these 4x4 like triangle pieces. Then more of these 2x6 and 4x6, 4x6 and 4x12 plates. Then you put some of these like these round pieces right there. Then you add some of these 1x10s. Then on the underside, you add the 6x6 piece. There you can plate like the square plate that has like the technicals, just like that. Then you add some of these, like these inverted slopes. Yeah, just like that. Okay, then you put it on these 3x3 black plates, just like that. Then some of the 4x4 like triangle pieces. Then some of the 1x4 black plates. There and right there. Then you put some of the inverted tiles, just like that and that, and also the two over here. Okay, I think that's the underside completed. And the top, yeah, it's a bit more of like the curved pieces. There and there. Then you put some of these 1x2 slopes on, just like that. Then you put some of these 1x4 like the square plates on, just like that. Okay, so let's check which side. Alright, so you just attach some of these 1x2 labels with down facing bracket pieces. So it goes 3, then 4, and then 3. You know, I really thought that these instructions would be a lot more difficult to make. Oh, this usually does mean that he's like probably not even a quarter of like the two TIE bombers. Probably not even half. Like they have one TIE bomber. One. Oh, there's the other one. So yeah, it should be go 3, 4, then 3. Okay, so then on the inner part here, just add two of these 1x4 black tiles. Then you add two of these 1x3. You take add 2, 3. Yeah, some of these 1x3 black tiles. And a 1x4 black tile right in the middle there. Okay, now we're just gonna add the 1x2 light bluish grey slopes. Yeah, you know how this goes. Like, I'm just gonna grab a bunch and place them on. I'm it's the same placement as last time. Yeah, and last time, yeah, I was exhausted. Like, I wasn't exhausted. Like my arms were quite tired. Like grabbing them. So yeah, just basically, yeah, it's really simple. I'm actually gonna cut the footage and then I'll be back when I put those slopes on. Alright, so that's all those slopes added. You see right there. It's a lot easier to do off camera since I don't have to like lean over. Alright, so okay, over here just add a 2x2 light bluish grey plate, then a 2x4 light bluish grey plate. Then you add 2 of these 1x4 black tiles. And some of these 1x2 black tiles. Then some of these 1x2 light bluish grey slider pieces. Then you put this 2x2 dark bluish grey circle plate. Then the printed piece. Then you put some of these 1x2 light bluish grey jumper plates. Then put some of these 1x2 dark bluish grey slopes. Then just had 2 of these 1x2 black tiles. Then you put 2 of these 1x3 black tiles right there. Then to add 6 of these 2x4 black tiles. That's 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you put 2 of these 3x3 black plates. Then I think 5 of these 1x6 black plates. Yeah, it's 5. Just put all those in there. Then you put let's say just put 2 of these 2x4 black tiles. then another 2x4 black tile there, and one right there. A 1x2 black tile that goes here, and finally another 2 that go right there. Alright, so we can attach like the previous one I made wing on. Alright, so you attach it to the main build now. You're making sure that the tail, the bottom part, is actually on the bottom. So you put it like that. And that's it for the first part of the alternate build. Time to move on to the next part. Alright, so for this part of the alternate build, making like the munitions part. So you take this 2x16 black plate and just attach some of these 2x2 like this with inverted slopes. And then just put a bunch of these like 1x2 like bluish grey jumper plates. This just makes it so that dropping the munitions is actually like an actual play feature. Right, so there should be 6 of those in total. Then you add some of these 1x4 black tiles in between. Just like that. And then on top of those jumper plates, just add some of these 1x2 black bricks. Then on top of those 1x2 black bricks, just add some of these 1x2 black tiles. Yeah, just beware, maybe actually to like, if they put the tiles on the bricks before you put them on the jumpers, since they can move around a bit and tend to get knocked off. But then finally, just put that, the final one there. Make sure, yeah, you're just making sure that all the studs like on like the 1x2 black bricks are covered by like this 1x2 black tiles. But now what you do is just take the bit you made and attach into there. So if you're able to follow all those steps, you'll successfully turn 2 copies of your 75347 TIE Bomber into a TIE Crawler. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel a lot, and I'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye.